Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out the brand new Mate 40 Pro gaming capabilities. We're featuring a 5nm processor here, the new Kirin 9000 from Huawei, and of course some new capabilities there. But let's go ahead and see how does the massive display, true stereo speakers Mate 40 Pro can do with some gaming. This is TK, let's check it out. Like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you're always notified to whenever we have new videos on the channel. So what we have in front of us here is the brand new Mate 40 Pro, again featuring the 5nm new chipset from Huawei, the Kirin 9000. And what I have also on the side here is the Kishi controller from Razer, one of my favorite controllers that we can use. Obviously it does actually have a really nice configuration, easy to use, and of course, for the most part, it works really nice with the native Kishi application once you can figure out how to actually open it up. And the reason why I really like it is, for the most part, it actually fits almost every device that I have. So even though this has a large display, it actually fits it really nicely, and all you have to do is just extend it. And then once you have it in there, it actually fits really nice. And there's a couple of openings here for the stereo speakers to sound, and it actually has no problem with the audio on here. Loading the Kishi app is pretty straightforward. It also tells you basically which games are compatible with it and which ones are not optimized for it. So for me, Modern Combat Versus works pretty good. And if you really want to be able to check out different options, you can also go into the discovery and check out other applications that are made specifically for the controller. For me as well, I've been using a couple of methods to be able to load these games on my device. First, I've been using the pedal search option that we have in here, as well as the app gallery, although pedal has been working mostly very well for me. APK Pure as well is loaded here for me to be able to download additional applications or games that I need. I downloaded the Epic Games installer directly, Call of Duty Mobile, Modern Combat Versus. You notice I have GeForce now here as well, and of course we have Pubg. It seems like I like a lot of first-person shooters, but that's generally the form that I like to play with this. Now, obviously, to be able to show you guys the best way to enjoy the music on this is obviously playing a video. So this is Alex Crindo Jumbo from NCS Release. The volume rocker, or his volume is all the way at 100%.
Jack it up.
And this is just to kind of demonstrate for you guys that we have actually true stereo speakers on this device. A top-mounted speaker and a bottom-mounted speaker. Now, they're not facing us directly, which means when we're holding the phone, they're actually going to be using our hands to kind of echo the voice or basically channel the sound directly to our face. So overall experience, we definitely want to be able to basically make sure to enjoy those stereo speakers. And for easy access to all the configurations and everything related to games, there is a Huawei Games application that also features some of the games directly from the app gallery. You can look by categories or featured applications or games. Of course, reviews. You can also see if there's any kind of rewards, and it actually will list the applications on your device that are compatible with it. So Asphalt 9, Epic Game Installer are available in the app gallery. So as long as they're in the app gallery, you'll be able to download them and configure them. But let's go ahead and jump into some gaming. So here's the quick temperature measurement right on the actual device, about 86, 88 degrees. It doesn't get too warm. You can definitely feel the heat, but not too warm. As you saw, the gaming experience on this device is really very nice and very flexible. So you can play with a controller or without a controller. The Kishi controller works really nice. You just need to download the application for it. Modern Combat Versus out of the box works really nice for it. And of course, GeForce Now, as I shared with you guys with the Destiny 2 game, although not my best experience obviously using it, is it didn't get a chance to play with that game on this before. The experience was actually pretty nice. The controls work nice. All the buttons are mapped automatically. You don't have to do anything out of the box. So Kishi works great with the Kishi app as well as GeForce Now. When it came to Fortnite, Pubg, and of course, Asphalt 9, those games actually work pretty nice out of the box. You do need to basically download the applications either directly from the app gallery or APK Pure, or also use the pedal search option that they have, which makes things a little bit easier to install. I will say though that not all applications or all games will work. Genshin Impact does not work in here. I tried installing it. It downloads the update, it does everything, but it will not run. Speakers on this obviously sound really, really good, and I would probably say that out of all of the devices that I've played with, having true stereo speakers on a smartphone will always trump having that combination of earpiece and bottom firing speaker. Mostly because you're truly getting a paired configuration here. Both right and left are producing the same sound on the right and left channel, as opposed to where it's usually less mids and highs on the earpiece, and of course the lows are generally generated on the bottom. So the experience is very nice. It's mostly about getting the applications on this phone that really gets 90% of the work. Once you have it on and it works, gaming is just going to be fun. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of the Mate 40 Pro, and of course what are the gaming capabilities here, if this is something that you guys would be considering getting in the near future. I would say playing games with the Kishi controller on any Android device is absolutely taking it to the next level, so there'll be a link for that of course in the description below. Thank you very much for the support, like and subscribe as usual, and of course I'll see you guys in the next video.